Hello and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I know I have been not filming the last few weeks, but we will get into that in my catch-all plan with me that you will see on Sunday, but you will see this video on Thursday, January 18th. So I have a pen here from Zodiac Pen Company. This was a, I believe, a custom that they did. So we're going to pull that out. In it, we got a cute little sticker. So this is my first order from them. And we have the business card here. I will say I have talked to Bart on Instagram. And he is just so easygoing, and I really loved talking to him. And he was willing to work with me on this pen. And yeah, so I ordered it before Christmas, but he did not send it to me until after Christmas because I was out of town. But on the back, we have this blank here. Or it was a blank, but this pen here is called the 3 Olive Martini. This is from Fountain Telling. The blank was, at least. The model is in the Vertigo, and it is a matte finish, so that's really nice. It has the Uvo number 6 nib, and it's gold, and it's broad. And then he so graciously put an ink in here for me, and this one is the Novelar Rover Jade. So we are gonna go ahead, I'm gonna pull out my little book here. We're gonna go to a different page. All right, so we're gonna come to a brand new spanking page here. So the feel of this is really nice. I love the name of it, the 3 Olive, or the 3 Olive Martini. But I really love this like brownish color here. It's like a mocha color. And then I really do love the green, and the green is kind of like sparkly. So I love the shape of it, so we're going to open it up. So here's the nib. You can post it, but I don't like posting my pens, and I definitely don't think I like posting these ones. So I am going to go and clean up around here just a little bit. Is a little dirty. Okay. So you can just unscrew the body here, and it does have a converter. Since this is a hand-turned pen, it will come with a converter and not an ink cartridge. The Uvo nib is a broad and in gold, so I absolutely love that. So we're gonna test this baby out. So ooh, okay, so I really love that he had given me, or had filled this a pen up for me, Martini. Ooh, I really do like this one. This is a Vertigo model. It is a matte finish. Oh, I love how this writes. This might be one of my favorite pens now. I just adore how it writes. It is smooth, and I like the way that it feels in my hand. It's not too big and it's not too small. It's literally the right, perfect size for me. But I am going to write down what this is. So I will also say that, I think it's you all, maybe. I have been looking on their site. I'm just writing messy here. Write my name. I am not a good accountant. We're just gonna ignore that. I am not a good cursive writer. We're just writing just random words, just kind of seeing how things go. So there's some writing sample. This is going to be, since it is already inked up, it will be in my February currently inked, as I don't have one for January because we are pretty much halfway through the month. I might do one really quick. But with being gone and stuff, I definitely wanted to clean out my pens and start fresh for the new year. So this again is from Zodiac Pen Company. I am so excited. There, like I said, there is a few extra, or there's a few pens that they have on their website that I can't wait to get. They are going to be coming out with a Cancer line, since it is a Zodiac style, or their name, so all of their pens are named after the Zodiacs. But I am very, very happy to have this one in my collection, and I can't wait to use it some more. So I know this is a quick, sweet little video. I am kind of out of practice with filming, but I plan to get better. And yeah, so I hope you like this video. So if you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up, because it really does help my channel grow. Leave me a comment down below. What do you think of this pen? Have you ever ordered from Zodiac Pen Company? And make sure you hit subscribe, and then hit the little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified every time I upload a new video. And I promise I will be back and ready to rock and roll with you guys. So yeah, and I will see you guys in the next one. All right, bye.